Want to change your Roblox username? Roblox allows you to change your username if you meet the platform's requirements. In this guide, I'll show you how to change your Roblox username step by step in 2026, along with a few important things to know before making the change. Let's get started. First, sign into your Roblox account using your username or verified email address and password. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to access your account settings. Next, click the settings icon and open the account info section. This page contains your profile details, including your current username and other account information. Now locate the username option and choose to edit it. Enter your new preferred username and check whether it's available. Roblox may require a username change fee in Robux before the change can be completed, so carefully review the information shown on your screen. If everything looks correct, follow the prompts to confirm your new username. Once the process is complete, your profile will display the updated username throughout Roblox. Finally, visit your profile page to confirm the new username appears correctly. Your display name and username are different, so make sure you're changing the one that fits your needs. And that's how to change your Roblox username. After updating your username, your account will continue to keep your games, friends, and progress while displaying your new name across Roblox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.